Hey everybody, it's Victoria from Great Canadian RV. I am sorry to break your hearts, but this sweetheart is sold. This is a customer order, Riverstone 442MC. This is a dynamite trailer. This paint job is a Scarlet Storm and it is spectacular. This floor plan is amazing, especially for families and adventure. And if you want to live on the road, this is the unit. All right, so we're going to start on the exterior to kind of give you a storage walkthrough to see what we have to work with. There's a large area right there for your storage. What else could it be but an outdoor TV? Perfect. Love those steps and that four-way camera system on the exterior. Frameless windows, insulated windows, might I add. And let's look at this pass-through storage. Huge spot. It's all heated and ducted. Perfect for those long adventures. Because the Riverstones have an all-steel chassis, including the upper deck, you are able to get a 40-pound propane tanks. That is a thing of beauty. We got your hitch there, Kurt Rotoflex. Okay. Your battery compartment on the left. Let's check out the other side of that pass-through storage here. All right, and we'll see there is a water manifold. So that is all individually labeled. Easy for troubleshooting when you're on the road. Easy for any repair work that might need to be done. And here is everything. There's your battery disconnect. Your True Blue residential. This is an instant hot water. All your connections. There we go. All right, let's walk around the back. You guys a good look at this beauty. There's a ladder built, so I have already been on the roofs of these and they're very high up there. What's beautiful about the Riverstone full body paint, it's a 4 levels of clear coat. So what they do is when you run your hand along the exterior here, it is smooth because every time they put a decal down, they do another clear coat. So it really just gives that smooth finish. Okay, let's head on inside. So this is the Juno Gray interior. Look at this floor plan. So we've got a beautiful 2-person dining area which pulls out easily, and then there's you can put 4 people there because there's a leaflet. There is a desk for all of you who want to live and work on the road. There we go. This is a beautiful floor plan. And check out the storage on this. So this is your entertaining area in your kitchen area. Great hardwood cabinetry wrap around. Look at that shelving. Huge TV. Look at the shelving. Okay. Let's check out the kitchen. So this is a gorgeous island kitchen. Dual basin sink. And look at this. You think you couldn't get any more storage? Hold on. I gotta go back up so you can see this. Look at all that storage. And then there's drawers below. Okay. I love that they put the dishwasher high up in this floor plan. Oh, there's a childproof lock on it for sure. Hold on a second. All right, there's a childproof lock on it. I'm not able to do it, but there we are. Drawer underneath. Check out the storage in here. Great storage in here. Pull out garbage receptacle. Beautiful sink. Here is your Insignia residential 4-burner stove. High cabinetry. There we go, lots of storage. Okay. Like I said, I love when they do this, when they put a little drawer in the stairs, because if anything, it'd be wasted space. There's your touch screen. So easy to use. I figure out in a heartbeat every time. Before we go into the primary, let's check out the bedroom or bathroom. So here's a large shower, great skylight. You have a seat there for accessibility. Okay, here we go. Hey guys, let's check out behind here. Shelving. An oval basin sink with nice countertop space beside. And more storage. I feel like I'm going to be saying storage in this video a lot. All right, let's check out the primary. So there's a slide out here with an LED TV. Exit window. Built-in storage. Your washer and dryer, king size bed with storage on either end. There is a built-in cabinet there with shelves. Opening window so you get a great cross breeze. And let's check out We slide this over. Hi guys. And let's open this. Oh, and latch it down there. Okay, let's check out what else we have. Oh, I love this built-in storage. So there's your Dyson. They have a recessed shelving there. A little, oh, look at that. Built-in cabinet or built-in tabletop. Right, perfect. Love the design on this. Okay. Lo and behold, the show-stopping moment of this unit is the MC, which they dubbed the man cave. So, might have to change that. This is a trifold sofa, theater seat, a queen bed. Okay. All right. So kids can't touch it. They put a key here. Let's see if the child-proofing works. Woo! There we go. So I turn the key, and there goes down the bed. It's all on guided tracks. Super fast, super easy. So what ends up happening, you get a queen bed here with a bunk. There's a ladder built in. I'll show you where the ladder is. That turns into a queen bed too. So you get double over double queen bed in this unit. Isn't that insane? This is perfect for families that want to be on the road. And look at that. I don't need to make the bed. I'm just going to roll it up. No one can see it anyways. Huge windows all opening in this back bedroom, back entertaining room, back. I don't even know if this is more than a bonus room, definitely. Storage above. And let's check out the entertaining area. Woo! Is that a big enough TV for you? Storage along the left there, storage along there as well. Beautiful fireplace that really elongates this space. Oh, another bathroom. Okay, here we go. We have a toilet there. Nice placement, great foot space. There's that built-in ladder for the bunk room to make sure the kiddies or the adults are safe getting in there at night. Oval sink. And then, there we go. This is a fantastic unit. This is, like I said, a customer sold unit, but you're more than encouraged to order your own. So let's make your dreams come true and reach out to greatcanadianrv.com. Thanks, guys.